Back in January, there were doubters when we discussed the real possibility Dollar General's stock could be back over $100 before the end of 2025. Well, now those doubters have been silenced, and there might be even more reason to be bullish on DG. Dollar General is expanding its home goods offering by teaming up with multiple celebrities, brands, and designers to introduce new products and collections. The retailer's Home Valley section will feature products from notable brands such as Key by Kathy Ireland, Betsyville, Beverly Hills Polo Club, and Simply Belle by Simply Southern. Key by Kathy Ireland is launching in over 20,000 stores this summer with items including throws, sheet sets, and comforter sets at affordable prices. This move is part of Dollar General's strategy to build out its product assortment and reach shoppers seeking quality items from noteworthy brands at affordable prices. The company aims to create a treasure hunt experience for customers, offering a constant flow of exciting industry brands that amplify the surprise element of its non-consumable initiative. The retailer has been focusing on expanding its private brand items, including its Clover Valley grocery brand, and has recently announced the expansion of its Dolly Parton kitchen and housewares collection. Dollar General will also debut a Dolly Parton summer entertaining collection and a Christmas collection for the holiday season. In addition to new product rollouts, the company is reshaping its store fleet, closing underperforming stores, and converting some pop-shelf stores to Dollar General locations. Despite these changes, Dollar General's first quarter results showed a 5.3% bump in net sales year over year to $10.4 billion, with net income growing almost 8% to $392 million compared to the year-ago quarter. The company plans to remodel roughly 20% of its fleet annually, further solidifying its commitment to delivering exceptional value to customers while staying on top of the latest trends. Dollar General's CEO, Todd Vassos, has revealed that the company has been making significant inventory adjustments to make more room for what matters on the shelf. This effort includes slashing around 1,000 SKUs last year, with plans to cut more this year. Vassos noted that prioritizing SKUs with the fastest turnarounds has been a big win for the company, resulting in a 5.3% year-over-year sales increase in the latest fiscal quarter. The inventory management effort is part of Dollar General's strategy to build a longer-term buffer against stock damages. The company has been rethinking how it buys and allocates goods, resulting in higher in-stock levels and lower overall inventory levels. This approach has led to a 6.9% decrease in inventory levels per store after removing 1,000 SKUs, making stores and distribution centers more productive. To further boost distribution capacity and efficiency, Dollar General is scaling back its use of temporary warehouses. The company had closed 15 of its 18 temporary sites as of December 2024 and plans to close the remaining 3 in 2025. Additionally, Dollar General Electric is focusing on case pack optimization, which involves ensuring products go to retail shelves as soon as they reach a store, cutting down on unnecessary touchpoints and increasing efficiency. By implementing these strategies, Dollar General aims to improve its inventory management, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. Vassos emphasized the importance of these efforts, stating that even small reductions in touchpoints per store per day can add up to very meaningful numbers across the company's vast network of over 20,000 stores. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.